y'all, it is time for another video. Okay, today what we're gonna do is get into this Walmart haul. This is what I got from the clearance. I had that shorts video where I showed you guys the huge, massive clearance at Walmart. So this is what I was able to snag on that day. So you know the drill. We're just gonna take these bags, move them out of the way, and then just get on into all this Dolly loveliness. Okay, y'all, before I get into the clearance haul, I wanted to show you something super exciting. Look, it's hard to show because it is huge. I was able to snag this Rainbow High Mini Accessory Studio display carton because they said they were just gonna throw it away, and I thought, really, with all this stuff in it? Look at that. This is like almost one complete thing. Now these are just the bags. This is a faux one, but this is a bag, that's a bag, that's a bag, and that's a bag. So there's 4 bags, just the bag, and then this one where it has most of the stuff. So that's 5. That's $50 right there, and they were just gonna throw it away. See how it says hot toys sold out? So I asked an associate, they said, sure, we're just gonna throw it away in the recycling. So now I have this, and I'm super excited, so yay! Here's what the back looks like. It's so cool, but I like the illustration here on the side. I can get it into my background and show you. That's super cute where she's holding all the bags. I'm gonna keep that for sure, and probably the back and definitely the bags, but for space purposes, I don't know if I can keep the whole thing. If I can flatten it, then I will, but otherwise, I don't know. Just super excited to have this. This is so cool. First thing I grabbed in the Walmart clearance was this cute little Lalaloopsy Minis. I have been looking at these for a while because I wanted to have these as dolls for my dolls, but I just couldn't justify the price. They were so expensive, but this one was clearance down to $11 for all 3 of these, so I didn't think that was that bad. Plus, I love Scoop's waffle cone. She is so cute and has so much pinky pink in her, and I love ice cream, and I just love all the stuff. I love them all. They're all really cute to me, to be honest. I really like these. $26. Full price, so you know I wasn't gonna pay that, but I am glad to have found it on that day for the $11. I wonder how much they clearanced it first. Maybe I'll peel that sticker back and look. This is the first thing I got. I couldn't resist. I had to see. It was $18.70 first. I wouldn't have paid that, but the $11 I'm happy with. And I didn't show you the back of the box. Here that is. Super cute. I also grabbed Pixie Flutters for $2. I thought that was a great deal. $2 for this cutie and all her stuff. I did go through them and look because some of the painting wasn't as good. You know us doll collectors, we gotta look. So I got this cutie for $2. If they'd have had other styles, I would have probably got them, but it looks like these ones are the same ones that's in there. Some of them anyway, but like Stormy and Cloudy, those are cute. And April Sunsplash, how adorable. Jewel Sparkles and Confetti Carnival. Oh, those are adorable. So if I see any more of these, I'm probably definitely gonna pick them up, especially $2 this cheap, because I love having dolls for my dolls, and I think these are the perfect size. Next, I grabbed this cute Barbie Extra Mini Girl. She's adorable. Now, I wasn't gonna get any more of these, but for $5, I thought, why not? Because I did really like her purple little wrap thing there, and I did think that her baby hairs were cute, and I did like her wavy crimped hair, so I thought for $5, why not? So I grabbed this cutie, and I love all her pink accessories. Her pinky pink stand is adorable, so I just had to get her and add her to my collection because I have 2 now besides this one, so this makes 3. Next, I grabbed this fashion pack. Now, I'm not so crazy about the green dress thing. Not my favorite, but I did really like these shorts and the tank, and of course the pinky pink tennies. Those are so adorable. Only $4. That's less than half because they're almost $9 regular. So I thought that was a deal. They had multiples of this. They had a lot of outfits, but this is the only pack that I was really interested in because the single packs were almost the same price for only 1 outfit. So this one getting 2 I thought was a better deal, so I had to grab it for my dollies. Okay, this I got, and it was not on sale, but it's the Foodie mini brands. I have been looking for these every time I go into a Target or a Walmart, or basically anywhere that has toys. I have been looking for these. They've never had them. They had them this day, and I got 2, and I couldn't resist. I had to open the one, and then I thought I'd save one for us to open and share together. So what I'm gonna do is show you what I got in this one first, this one that's already open, and then open this one with y'all here. We're gonna see all the cute stuff I got and the little Bolly. And I was really happy with everything I got. You know, some people get really mad at doubles or whatever, but I mean, you know, what do you expect? It's a blind thing. First thing I got was this Fridays little thing, and I closed it because I just wanted to, but it's the burger. And I love it. It is so cute. I can't wait to make Dolly dioramas and do cute things. I want to do a diner so bad, and this just makes me want to do it even more. So first thing I got was the little burger there, and then the next thing I got, like I just ripped them all open because I had to see, was this. Oh, I love this. This I thought was so cute. I love the little paper wrapper, and the corn dog is so cute and detailed. I love that it has the little ketchup on top. That is so adorable. And I love that it has the little slidey thing. So cute. Next thing I got was, oh yeah, the Sonic shake, the Sonic milkshake. Look at that. It is so detailed. I absolutely love these. Now this is kind of big, but I don't care. I think these are awesome and these are so cute. I absolutely love these. Can't wait to do a diner diorama for my dollies. Next one is another milkshake, but I am not mad at that because it's completely different. It is from Hardee's or Carl's Jr., depending on where you live is what they're called. They're called Hardee's for me, but I think that is so cute. Just look at how detailed the whipped cream is. I mean, even like that some of it's down and you can see through and it's kind of touching the chocolate part. I love that. I love the little straw. Nothing about these I don't love. I'm obsessed. I just wish they didn't cost so much. I paid $8 for these, which is a lot for me. I didn't want to spend the full price, but I just had to get some. They only had 4 left in the whole big carton and I grabbed 2, so super cute. And last in this one, I think this is the last, yeah, is this, and I love it. It's a Subway sub. Look at how detailed and cute that is. Now, I've seen where people have peeled this off. It is not detailed underneath the wrapper, so don't try that if you are thinking that it is, because it isn't. So don't wreck your cute little Subway sandwich, but this is so adorable and I absolutely love these. So what I'm gonna do is take this one and, you know, open the outside thing and then come back to you and we'll see what I got in this Foodie Mini Brands ball. Okay, got it all depackaged and here is what I got. Let's just see. We're just gonna go one at a time. What did I get? Oh, I got the sushi. That's cool. That's a new one. I was hoping I wouldn't get a lot of doubles, but honestly, I'm not one of those people that complains about doubles. I don't really mind. I think they're cool. And I realize that, you know, there's no guarantee. You just have to take your luck when you grab these, you know, blind boxes and blind bags and whatnot. So that's cute. Next, what's in here? What's in here? This feels different. It's the curly fries from Hardee's. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. Ah, love, 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 because I love the curly fries. They're super tasty. This is so adorable. Yay. Let's see, what else? What else? This feels like something different. Woohoo, different stuff. It's another Subway sub, but it looks different. I believe this is like the tuna one. So this one is definitely different. Look at that. Loving it. These are so cute, guys. Oh God, I'm obsessed. I love minis anyway. Now this feels like one of those tray deals or something. I try not to feel too much to know what it is beforehand, but you know, oh, these are the pot stickers. At least I think that's what these are. That's what they look like to me with the little sauce. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. And it closes. Oh, love it. Love, love, love these. These are so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Last one was big, so I think this is probably one of those like machines or something. Or maybe not. Nope, I was wrong. It's a Crave Crate. How cute. Now I know, you know, you can't really see anything and it doesn't open or anything, but I still really like it. These are adorable. Yay! For anybody who hasn't seen, here's the guide. I'm not gonna do real in depth because, you know, it'll take forever, but there is the guide. If you want to see, is the back of the guide. And that's all the cool stuff you can get. Love it. So glad I got these, even though I did have to pay full price. On to the rest of my clearance haul. I was able to score this girl. And once again, didn't think this was worth like the almost $25. That's just my opinion. I deboxed one of these on my own without you guys that I got on clearance a while ago. The body was just so hollow and so cheapy. The quality of it was just really not good, even though I got it on sale. So it made me a little disappointed in these, but I did really want her because of the pinky pink hair and all the cute stuff. I do love her pink shoes. Those are super cute. And I do like her little mouse, even though I'm not really that much for the little pets. I could take or leave those. Like, I don't hate them or anything. I just think, they're supposed to be Barbie extras. I get it. But if they left that stuff out that, most of us don't really care for, they could spend more time and more quality on the dolls themselves. That's what I'm trying to get at. But anyway, I really do like the necklace and the hair, and I think her face is really pretty, but I'll debox her and we'll go and get into her. I would have loved to pay less. Who doesn't love to pay less? But the $11 was okay with me, so I thought that was all right, especially since now I've noticed at Target, they've upped the price of the Fashionistas another $1. They're $10.99 there now instead of, they used to be $9.99. So, a doll with no articulation whatsoever is $11, and then I got this for clearance for $11. So I think I did pretty good. I'm happy to have her, happy to add her to my collection, and I can't wait to see. Hopefully she doesn't feel as hollowy and cheapy as that other one did. So we will see. And last but certainly not least was this one. Now I was very interested in her. I did really love her cute face and the fact that, you see you turn and there's all these extra pieces in the back. I was really intrigued by that. But again, me knowing that the hair quality on the fantasy hair color Barbie extras and the regular Barbies isn't that good made me a little hesitant to get her at full price anyway. I know that the bodies, even though they are articulated, are kind of made cheapy. So I didn't think it was worth it. Now that's funny to me that it says $24.88. I thought these were more than the regular Barbie extras, because these are the Barbie extras with more. So they had a few to go through with this one and that one. So I, of course, did my Dolly collector thing that we do and checked. And this one had a really cute face. Some of them had squished heads. The heads were like misshapen. So this one had a nice full face, pretty eyes, pretty screening. I love the side glance. And her hair looked to be in a better kind of way because up here at the top, see the little like bow type thing that they have going on. It was kind of messed up on a lot of them. So they had about 5 or 6 of these. So I went through and picked the one that I liked the best. And I am really excited for her. I do want to see what she's all about. I'm hoping that the quality of her is better than that other one I opened. So I guess we will just see. And I'm so glad that I got her and got to add her to my collection. I hope you enjoyed this kind of medium haul for clearance at Walmart with all the Barbies and the Mini and the Lalaloopsies and all the goodies, and my mini brands, my Foodie mini brands, and my cool score. It's over to the side, that's why I pointed, of the Rainbow High mini accessory studio box from the store. I can't wait to get into all of that and see how they feel because I only had the one pair of shoes that I got in the one haul to like compare. So I'm excited to see what those are all about. So I thank you so much for being with me and for watching. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy and safe, having the best Dolly day they can, and having all the good things that are in this life come to you. I have to say, great big, huge, lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. I cannot say enough how much y'all mean to me and how special you are and how much I thank you for every little thing you do and just for watching and becoming part of our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have built because it grows by the day and that is just wonderful. I hope you enjoy having a safe Dolly space, having a fun Dolly space where we can explore and find out new cool things together and just have Dolly goodness and Dolly fun. I really do appreciate everything. So, thanks so much, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, y'all, because we do everything here in the Dolly world to have fun, to have a safe space where everybody is welcome and do fun things, tutorials, makeovers, hauls, thrifting, anything you can think of in the Dolly world. We're gonna try it right here and have fun doing it. So come along, join us, join our ever expanding great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family because we would love to have you and everyone is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we've reached the end, so you know what I'm gonna say. Bye, y'all.